Are you tired of paying a hefty price for Photoshop? You're not alone. Photoshop is an incredible software, but its cost can add up quickly. Even Adobe's most basic plan will set you back over $250 per year. But don't worry, there are some fantastic free alternatives that offer many of the same powerful features. In today's video, we'll count down the 5 best free Photoshop alternatives that can help you edit and create stunning images like a pro. But before we dive in, let me ask you a question. Which feature of Photoshop do you use the most? Layers? Brushes? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love discovering new software and tech tips, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos. Alright, let's get started. Now, let's move on to the first software on our list, SoftwareHope. Don't let the ranking fool you. This software is packed with features and even supports RAW files. Other notable software includes a photo viewer, batch processing options, a collage maker, a GIF creator, and plenty of filters and effects to enhance your images. The simple and clutter-free layout makes it a great choice for beginners. The top bar allows you to choose between different modes like the editor, collage maker, and GIF creator. If you ever need help, just click the SoftwareHope icon in the upper left, select your topic, and it will open a tutorial in your browser. Availability: SoftwareHope is available for Windows 10 and newer and Mac OS. If you're using an older Windows version, you can download SoftwareHope 3.7 from their homepage. They also offer a pro version for around $40, but for most users, the free version will be more than enough. The next software you should definitely check out is Paint.net. Originally developed in 2004 as an advanced alternative to Microsoft Paint, Paint.net has come a long way. It now includes features like layer support, blending modes, automatic filters, and external plugins created by the community to expand its functionality. Its interface is clean and modern, with a built-in dark theme. Most tools are located in the toolbar on the left, while additional features like image effects can be found in the menu bar at the top. One cool thing about Paint.net is its plugin support. If a feature is missing, chances are there's a plugin available to add it. Availability: Paint.net is only available for Windows 10 and 11. You can download it for free from the developer's website or purchase it from the Microsoft Store to support its development. If you liked Paint.net, wait till you see Krita. It's even more interesting. Krita is an open-source photo editing and digital painting software that has gained massive popularity. It includes advanced brush customization, a color palette, layer support, and numerous editing software that make it perfect for artists and creative designers. The interface is well organized with primary software on the left, an advanced color selector on the right, and brush presets below. A cool feature is the pop-up palette, which speeds up workflow when painting. Krita also comes with stabilization software, making it perfect for users who draw with a stylus. Availability: Krita is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac. If you want to master Krita, check out their tutorials on their official website. Before we reveal the top 2 picks, here are some honorable mentions you might want to check out. Photoshop Express, a free, lightweight photo editor from Adobe available for Windows, Android, and iOS. Pixlr Express, a web-based photo editor with basic software that work inside your browser. Affinity Photo, paid. A powerful alternative to Photoshop with better stability and fewer crashes. It's available for a one-time cost of $69.99. Pixelmator Pro, paid. A popular Mac OS photo editor with advanced tools for around $50. Alright, now let's jump back into the countdown. Coming in at the runner-up spot is GIMP, an incredibly powerful open-source photo editor that rivals Photoshop. GIMP supports layers, advanced filters, color adjustments, transformations, and even Photoshop's PSD files. However, some users find its layout a bit clunky, especially if they are used to Photoshop. To customize the interface, you can switch between single window mode and floating windows mode in the menu bar. Once you get familiar with it, GIMP is an excellent tool, even for professional use. In fact, I use GIMP to create my video thumbnails. Another great thing about GIMP? You can install custom brushes and plugins, making it even more powerful. GIMP is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Be sure to check out their official website for tutorials if you're new to the software. Finally, in the top spot, we have PhotoP, the best free Photoshop alternative that works directly in your web browser. PhotoP is a fully featured online image editor that supports PSD files, RAW images, and multiple export formats. What makes it stand out is that its layout is almost identical to Photoshop, with tools on the left and layers on the right. To save your project as a PSD or export it in different formats like PNG or JPEG, go to File, Export. If you ever need help, click Learn in the upper right to access tutorials. While PhotoP is free, it's ad-supported. You can remove ads and unlock additional history steps with a $5 per month premium plan. And here's a fun fact. PhotoP was created by a single developer. Pretty impressive, right? And that wraps up our list of the best free Photoshop alternatives. Which of these tools do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more top software recommendations and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.